Hi, I'm Traci Lynn, and I want you to move your body for 13 minutes to a glute leg challenge workout. But of course, we're going to add in upper body because that's just how I do my workouts. When you're moving your lower body, you're moving your upper body, but that's optional for you. This is one of my challenge workouts. You will be on for 1 minute and off for 20 seconds. So it's a little challenging here, but give it a shot. If you're new to my channel, I want you to understand what my workouts are all about. So be sure to watch my first 2 channel intro videos so you can get the full benefit of my workouts. My workouts are full body fusion, but they're very customizable. You can take out the upper body moves and just do the lower body movements, or the other way around. You decide on the intensity of what we're using. Right now we're using free weights. It's up to you, but just listen to your body, make it your workout. Modify the movements however you need to. If you can't do a full range of motion in a squat, a lunge, or whatever the movement is, do what works for you and work up to it. So make it your workout, listen to your body, listen to what level you're at, and then progress when you need to. Don't rush it. Yes, 1 step at a time. So 1 minute challenge. Keep the proper form. Watch my basics of proper form video if you haven't. Get those basics down, really important. I don't include warm-ups or cool-downs in most of my workouts, but I have warm-up and cool-down videos, and I suggest you warm up real quick if you haven't, and then a cool-down at the end. All those videos are linked down below. So I am going to show you the first movement. We've got 5 of them. 5. We'll do each 2 in a row. That's it. But I actually have a bonus for you, which goes beyond that 13 minutes. It's just another minute if you want to hang in there. 1 minute bonus. So 13-minute workout, and yeah, add in that upper body if you want to. Otherwise, just hold those weights and let those glutes and legs do all the work. So first movement, 1 minute. I'm going to start with 10s. I'm going to go a little heavier. You're going to squat down and hold it. Squat down and hold it with lat rows, just like this. You're going to stay like that the whole time. You can pulse it if you want, just like that. That's it. I'm going to start the clock. Come up if you need to if it's too much pressure on your lower back. Sit back in your heels, squat it down, row it up. Come up a little if you need to. 1 minute. You can do it. Keep those upper arms right along your ribs. If you're not doing the upper body movements, just hold those weights and maybe do some pulses, just like this, for 1 minute. Just like that. Otherwise, bring those lat rows in. It's kind of hard to do the pulses and do the lat rows. Breathe. Shoulder blades together. Go all the way down into that full squat. Come up a little. Whatever works for you. Almost done. What's that next one? Oh boy. Okay. I'm lightening, reducing the weight. These are regular squats with bicep curls. Squat it back, up, bicep curl. I like to hold them together like this. Squat it back, up, bicep curl. Ready? Or you're just doing the squats like this for 1 minute. Otherwise, bicep curl. Why not, right? Maybe you don't want to do it every day. Maybe you want to do legs one day and no upper body, so just hold the weights. Or you can just do the upper body movements. You'd be standing here just doing some bicep curls, just like this. Very customizable workouts. You can make it very intense if you want to. Holding heavy weights, moving faster, like a HIIT workout. feeling crazy like that. Next move. Okay. Sumo squat. Hold down, lift, shoulder. Okay, triple. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3. For 1 minute. 2, line those knees up and squeeze those glutes. 1, 2, 3, without the upper body. 1, 2, 3, up. 1. I would just say, keep moving like this. Otherwise, come up. 1, 2, 3. Because if you just come up and you don't have shoulders, you're not doing anything. So just keep that plie going. We were supposed to do all these movements twice in a row, but we didn't do that. So we're just going to get through the next 2, and then we're going to do all those movements again. Okay, next movement. Curtsy up to chest, rear delt fly. I'm gonna drop it down to 5s because it's those arm raises. These get heavier. Curtsy. Okay. Up. Otherwise, you're just doing curtsy, just like this. Chest fly, rear delt fly. Woo! Turn them like this if that works better for you. Okay. Other side. Woo! Same thing. To the other side. You can hold them this way or this way, however it works for your shoulders. Get into the chest, curtsy, like that. Oh boy, this is good. I think this actually works out better, going through once and then going through again instead of twice in a row on each move. It was a good mess up. Woo! One more. Pause the video and rest longer if you need to. Okay. I'm gonna go back to those 10s. This is the squat down hold. Do pulses if you're not doing the upper body. Squat it back. Lat row. Go down as far as you can, but come up if it's too much pressure in your back. We'll do some pulses. If that works, it's a little hard with the lat rows. Keep that back flat. That spine is lined up from your neck to your tailbone. Chest is open. Shoulder blades together in the back. Don't hit your leg with the weight like I just did. Almost. You can do it. Oh boy, that's it. Okay. Whew. This was regular squats with the hammer curls. Are you ready? Squat it. Hammer curl. Squat. Actually, let's do it. Yeah, hammer curl. I said it. Hammer curl. Just doing the squats without the curls. Just squat it like this. Squeeze those glutes. Always squeeze those glutes at the top of your squat. It's a little posterior tilt. Squeeze. Squeeze. Hammer curl. Go faster if you want to. Just line those knees up. This is it. Okay. Rock it out. I ended that a little early. Okay. This is at triple sumo. 1, 2, 3, up. 1. Let's put the palms in this time. 3, or you're just going to keep doing this right here and hold the weights. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze those glutes. 2, 3. It's easier to turn this way. Sometimes it is on the shoulders. Turn the palms out. Line those knees up. Mix it up. Almost. Quick workout. Quick and effective workout. We're getting everything. Even if you're not doing the upper body movements, you're still getting a fantastic workout. Still a lot of muscles working. Okay, back to those curtsies, but this time we are going to do, I'm going to grab the 5s. We're going to do stationary. Curtsy back with tricep kickbacks, just like this. Full range of motion. Try to keep your elbow in, chest up, come all the way up in that. Lower arm, forearm all the way up. Keep those elbows in. Sometimes a curtsy ends up being like an angled back lunge. Sometimes it works better for people to do it like that. The curtsy can be a hard position sometimes. So if you have to just do like a back lunge like this, that's fine too, for sure. Curtsy's just the foot's in more. One more move and then we have the bonus. Yay! If you want to stay for it, 1 more minute extra. Really getting into that upper back with those 1 minute of tricep extensions. You're all in here too. Woo! Woo! Good sweat sesh. Okay. Stationary on the other side. Lots of balance. Whoa. Get my balance here. It's either curtsy with that foot in more like this, or more of a just an angled lunge. It's good either way. Try to do that full range. Almost. Woo, lots of core stability work here. One more minute. If you want to stay, you can do it. You're just on the ground. Wipe that sweat off. 1 minute of crunches, and I don't have that set. Alexa, set timer for 1 minute. She got it right. Go, crunches. If you have to put your feet down, put them down. Like this. Do your best. Or put your hands back, crunch it like this. Mix it up. Touch your heels. Whew. Whoa! Suddenly that minute seems super long. Come on, Alexa, hurry up. I hope I didn't confuse her on that. She may have stopped that timer, hopefully no. Oh no, she didn't. Woo, Alexa, off. Alexa, off. Jeez, great job. My motto, it doesn't have to be a lot, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you moved, and that's what matters. I'd appreciate a thumbs up for this workout. Although I messed it up a little bit, we still got it all done. And comments are welcome. Subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'm a little newer at this, but I have so many workouts that I will be uploading at least one a week, and that's the only way you'll know is if you hit that notification bell. So share my channel on or off social media. Let's get everybody moving, and download my workout log, download the reasons you should work out and move your body and all the benefits, everything, all the videos, everything I've mentioned, linked down below. This equipment that I use from Amazon, the hip bands, are linked down below for sure. Recommend these, that's what I use. And yeah, good job, and thank you. And I look forward to having you join me in my next Move Your Body workout.